Okay, library assistants, one more video here, and it has to do with our 796, our sports section, okay, which is over here. You guys know where to find it. Over on the far end, next to where the tables are, right here on the left-hand side. All of these books that I'm showing you are 796 point something, okay? There are so many sports books that I need you to be really careful when you're shelving these, just so that we can find things. So we've made some little labels to help you. I don't know if you guys have noticed these before. You know, it's kind of hard for me to focus it right now. But there are little labels at the top left-hand corner of each shelf to help you know where to place things, okay? And so with, this one is kind of right underneath. There you go. So with our books that are nonfiction, you guys know that all you have to do is put them in numerical order according to the call number. Don't worry about the letters. I mean, you can, but that would make your life more difficult. I recommend just getting these in numerical order. So up here on this top one, it should just be 796 through 796.299. So when I get down here to the end, I should not see anything higher than 796.29. So if you put a 796.342 up here, it's in the wrong place. It needs to go, not even here, but gosh, way down here. Okay, so you need to pay attention to these labels and get things in numerical order. And I know some of you might get a little confused about our decimal numbers. So what I'm going to have you do is, all of these are just 796. Then when we get over here, we have a 796.04 or 796.09. So you're just going to go in numerical order all the way through. So this shelf is right now. We did a lot of work on this yesterday, Claudia did, because this is her section. And so, as I would tell you with any section, I want you guys to pay attention to what you're doing out here. I've been finding a lot of books put away in random places or just sitting on an end. And I know sometimes that's when students are in here and they look at something and they just put it back. However, I've noticed it after we've shelved books. And that really shouldn't happen. A book should always be, excuse me, a book should always be, when you guys shelve it, inside of our book end. Not hanging out here on the outside. Not stuck in here in one of these crevices. So if you have any questions about what I'm telling you about with shelving books, especially in the sports section or the nonfiction section, please let me know. Another thing I'd like you guys to do, and I know you do this already, but just a reminder, is when you're shelving books or if you have extra time and things are lying around, that's okay. That's usually from people looking. Just please go through and pick them up and kind of straighten things up and put them where they go. If we're running out of time, pick them up and put them over on the shelving cart. Thanks.